Children, how are you all? I hope all are fine in your home. So please take care of your health and be safe, children. Let us move to the chapter 2, reflection and symmetry. So children, have you heard the name of reflection? What is the reflection? Let us see the meaning of reflection first. So imagine in your home everybody has a mirror, right? So go and just stand in the mirror. What you observe? You see your mom face or your dad face? No, you see your face, because the object kept in front of the mirror is you, and the face how it is and the body how we stand, everything can be visible clearly in the image, isn't it? So what are the action if we do in front of the mirror, everything will be clear in the mirror. So that is called as the reflection. The mirror gives a reflection of what we present in front of the mirror. So let us learn what is how the pattern of reflection and what is a pattern of symmetry. So if I place a shape of diamond, I can see the reflection line. This is a one dot line of reflection, and you can view the diamond shape itself, not the circle or a triangle or a rectangle, isn't it? If I place the star in front of the mirror, after a line pattern I can visible only the star shape, not the any other shapes. So this is what reflection we can see. Let us see what is symmetry. So we came to know what is reflection, right? So then what is symmetry? When a shape, not only this shape, any shape is divided into two equal parts, it should be equal parts. When a shape is divided into two equal parts and each part is reflected as same, each part should reflect in the same, that is called as symmetry. So symmetry can be mentioned in a line. So this is a shape and it is divided into two equal parts, either straight or in the vertical. So I am going to divide it. So this is what two symmetrical lines formed in this figure, and it is equally divided, and if one or two lines are formed in a shape, then it is called as a symmetrical line. If no lines are formed in a shape, then it is called as asymmetrical lines. Symmetrical and asymmetrical. So here we have one line in the letter M. So I am going to cut it in the middle. So this is what the symmetrical lines divides a shape into two equal parts. So I hope you understood with the meaning of reflection and symmetry. Thank you so much, children.